Hello to all our amazing subscribers at robotarticles.com. Tony here, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey towards online passive income through affiliate marketing. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the secrets of creating your first work-from-home business online, built on what you really like. It could be about selling chessboards, video games, clothes, anything you like, and I will help you find the perfect niche for your business idea. Now, hold on to your hats because we've got a serious reality check coming your way. AI is taking over jobs faster than we ever thought possible. In fact, at a really scary rate. Millions of jobs are vanishing into thin air, leaving folks wondering, what now? But fear not, my friends, because the solution is right at your fingertips: online entrepreneurship. As jobs become increasingly difficult to keep, it's important for you to create a parallel line of stability in your life. This way, if you lose your job, you'll have this income on the side. Things are going to get really crazy. First, basic AI, as you see now, will be replacing junior jobs. More advanced AI in the next 2 to 3 years will start replacing mid-level jobs. And finally, when big industries start implementing general artificial intelligence into robotics, the big wave of job loss will happen, and it'll be like a tsunami. Technology advances so fast that even students coming out of university will be totally outclassed by what they've learned versus what is on the market, causing them to struggle finding new jobs. In this super-duper series, I'm going to be your go-to guy for all things in affiliate marketing. We're starting from the ground up, setting up your home office, getting you in the right mindset, and guiding you through the wild world of making money online. But hey, fair warning, this journey ain't for the lazy or the impatient. If you're expecting a magic money-making button where you can't stick to a plan to save your life, then this might not be your cup of tea. But if you're the kind of person who loves a challenge, is hungry to learn, and never backs down from a little hard work, then you're in the right place. Now, let me spill the beans on what keeps me going every day. My family. Yep, they're my driving force, my reason to hustle harder and aim higher. Every day when I wake up, I work harder and harder because I want them to have a better life. Each time I sit in front of my screen and learn new skills, I do it for them and never look back. This is why I never give up. And I will ask you to have the same state of mind to go through this entire course. You might be 18 years old or 70, no worries. This course is for everyone. So, grab your popcorn and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Join me in the upcoming videos as we dive deep into the nitty-gritty of building your online empire. We'll talk scheduling, progress tracking, and everything in between. Together, we're gonna unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing and pave the way to a brighter, richer future. So what are you waiting for? Let's get this party started. See you in the next video. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please click on the subscribe button now. And if you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below the videos. We'll get back to you as quickly as possible.